So finally, good news for all the participants of the Google Cloud Arcade program. The Novice tire, which was out of stock, is back in stock, and the Trooper tire is also back in stock. Now you have to go to your mailbox and click on the form URL and just open it like this. Now just scroll down, and if you want, you can read all the rules. Do not worry, I'll cover a detailed video for it. Now from here, you have to select your t-shirt size. For size, you need to just check the size chart over here, and all these facts are automatically added. You don't have to add it. Just click on accept option. Now here you have to enter your first name. It can be anything. Okay, your real name, to be more precise, whatever name you have created with the Cloud Skills Boost does not matter. Your real name should be present. Now from here, the email will be same in which you have received the email. And coming to the country, you have to select country in which you are located. It's a global event, so multiple countries are there, and the country code means the mobile number code will be automatically selected. Now here you have to enter your mobile number. Second important thing is that here you can clearly see that we have to enter the address details, city details, and state details. Here you have to enter your address, whatever is your address. For example, make sure to add a nearby location. For example, if you are having any school, colleges, or temple nearby, make sure to enter the address over there. Okay, similarly for the city also, where you locate, where you want to get your swags to be delivered, you can deliver your swags in Maharashtra, Kolkata, anywhere if you want. Now state, you know already, you have to fill all these details and just click on deliver here. After that, just confirm and your swags have been placed. So this was the quick update. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.